Hello, once again. My name is Jason, and today I'm going to talk about why you should be investing in the stock market in 2026. In this video, we will cover the followings. Number one, long-term historical outperformance. Number two, stocks can protect and grow purchasing power versus inflation. Number three, compounding plus time in the market is powerful. Number four, structural secular growth themes create opportunity in 2026. Low cost liquidity access makes implementation easy and efficiency. Number six, gather accessibility and fractional investing lower the barrier to entry. Number seven, diversification, risk management and tax efficiency. Wrappers makes stocks practical, not reckless. So what if I told you that missing out on the stock market in 2026 could cost you tens of thousands of dollars over the next decades? I know. Everyone talking about market crashes, recession fears, and how risky investing has become. But here's the thing most people don't realize. The biggest risk is not losing money in the stock market. No. The biggest risk is staying on the sidelines while your money loses value to inflation every single year. Today I'm going to show you 7 compelling reasons why 2026 might be the perfect time to start investing in the stock market. And before you think this is just another get rich quick pitch, I'm talking about smart long-term investing that actually works. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the stock market isn't just for Wall Street professionals anymore. Let me start with the most powerful arguments for stock investing history. Over the past 100 years, the stock market has delivered an average annual return of about 10%. 30%. That means if you invested $1,000 in 1924, it would be worthy over 13 million today. You can do your numbers. I've said that means if you invested 1,000 in 1924, it would be worthy over $30 million today. Even during the worst decades, including the Great Depression, World War II, and the 2008 financial crisis, stocks still outperformed the bonds savings account and keeping cash under your mattress. Sure, there were bad years, even terrible years, but here is what the data shows. Every 20 years period in the stock market, history has been profitable for investors. Every single one. You can search, do your own research for yourself. Now, let's talk about something that's probably eating away at your money right now. Have you heard about inflation? Yeah? Remember when, let's say, a gallon of gas cost $2? Remember when you could buy lunch for $5? That's inflation in action. And it's not going anywhere, I can tell you. In 2024, inflation hit over 80% at its peak. Your saving account paying 0.5% interest, you are actually losing on your own money 7.5% of your buying power every year. But stocks have historically grown faster than inflation. Companies raising the prices when cost goes up, which means their profits and stock prices tend to rise with inflation. For instance, when McDonald's changes more for Big Mac, McDonald's stock often benefits too. This brings me to the third reason, the magic of compounding growth. So, Albert Einstein supposedly called compounding interest the eighth wonder of the world. Very interesting. So here is a simple example that will blow your mind. Jimmy starts investing $200 per month at the age of 25. He stops at 35, having invested $24,000 in total. Mick started investing $200 per month at the age of 35 and continues until he retires at the age of 65. He invested $72,000 total, 3 times more than Jimmy. But here's the crazy part. At retirement, Jimmy has more money than Mick. It's crazy, right? That's because his money had 10 years exactly, or 10 years extra to compound and grow. Time in the stock market beats timing the market every single time. Now, let's look at why 2026 specifically offers unique opportunities. We are seeing massive structure changes in how the world works. Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry from healthcare to transportation. Clean energy is becoming cheaper than fossil fuels in the most places. The aging population is increasing. Huge demand for healthcare and technology solutions. You know that. These aren't short-term trends. They are decades-long growth stories. Companies positioned in these areas could see explosive growth over the next 10 years. And you can own a piece of these companies. Yeah, you can. For the price of dinner out, like the money you use to go to dinner or eat at the restaurant. So speaking of the cost, investing has never been cheaper or easier. 20 years ago, buying stocks cost $50 per trade through a broker. Today, most platforms charge 0 commissions. How good is that? You can invest it from your phone in about 3 minutes. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab have made investing as easy as ordering food on your mobile phone. So you can basically start investing. I'm not laughing or laughing, but you can start making your first investment on your own phone. So the barrier that keeps regular people out of the stock market have basically disappeared. Even better, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. Fraction investing means you can buy a piece of expensive stock with just $10 or $5. Want to own Amazon stock but can't afford the $3,000 share price? That's okay. Buy a fraction for $50 and own a tiny slice of the company. This democratization of investing means anyone can build wealth through the stock market. You don't need to be genius. You don't need to be rich to start. You start to become rich. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room. People always worry, risk. Okay. So yes, individual stocks can be risky. But smart investing isn't about picking the next big winner. It's about the diversification, spreading your money across hundreds or thousands of companies. Index funds lets you own a piece of 500 companies with a single purchase. If one company fails, 499 others are still working for you. That's a secret. No, it's not a secret. It's out there. Plus, you can invest through tax advantages accounts like if you live anywhere, 401ks and ARIAs. But in my own advice, index funds is the best to start. Now, this means you can grow your wealth while paying less in taxes. The government actually encourages long-term investing through these tax benefits. Now, when you combine diversifications, long-term thinking, and tax advantages, stock investing becomes much less risky than most people think. The real risk is not investing at all and watching inflation eating away your savings years after year. Look, I'm not saying you should put your entire paycheck into stocks tomorrow. I'm not saying that, my friend. No. Start small. Maybe $50 or $100 per month into Westfield Index Fund. Set up automatic investing so you don't need to have to think about it. And give it a time. We are talking years, not a month, to see. The stock market rewards patience and punishes panic. If you panic, it will punish you. If this video helped you understand why 2016 could be your year to start building real wealth, hit that like button, drop, comment below, and tell me what's holding you back from investing, my friend. What is it? What is it? Is it fear? Lack of knowledge? Not enough money? I will read every comment and I might make a video answering your specific questions. That's okay. That's okay. I'm fine. So, and if you want more practical money advice that actually works, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But the second time is right now. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. If you've been interested or you have seen this content very helpful, you can go to my ebook. You can buy a copy of my ebook, which will help you to start investing. So when you click to my website, ffmmoney.com, you will see ebook called Starting Investing Confidently. It's a beginner's roadmap to the stock market and the financial freedom. These ebooks, it's beginner's roadmap to the stock market and financial freedom, is the perfect guide for anyone who wants to begin investing with clarity, confidence, and purpose. It was designed for beginners, breaks down the stock market into simple, practical steps so you can take control of your financial future without feeling overwhelmed. You can also find the link on our Facebook, FFM Connect. That's where you can also find the link as well. There is also a second ebook. It's called the Entrepreneur's Roadmap. It's also on discount when you buy the first ebook. Why you should start your own business. The Entrepreneur Roadmap, Why You Should Start Your Own Business, is a practical and inspiring ebook designed to help you aspiring entrepreneurs to take the first step towards building a successful business. My friend, if you have ever dreamed of becoming your own boss, creating financial freedom, or turning your ideas into something meaningful, this guide is for you. Inside, you will discover the mindset, strategies, and action steps needed to begin your entrepreneurial journey with confidence. I can guarantee you are not going to regret the information you will learn from these ebooks. You can also join our wealth building community by subscribing to our YouTube channel, following us on our Facebook page, FFM Connect, and also you can contact us via our email, ffmmoney1@gmail.com. Phone number is 0483766239. You can also find us on our website, ffmmoney.com. Don't let another year pass wishing you had started sooner. The best time to begin building your wealth was yesterday. The second time is right now. Right now, my friend. Not yesterday, just now. What I can say. Remember, successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. Your moment is now. The Financial Freedom Man team regularly invests in the same stocks and assets we cover in our contents. Why? Because we believe in the practicing what we preach or we teach. Disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. Everything we teach is for personal growth education. Do your own research and think about what makes sense for your own financial situations. My friend, investing has risks. No one under the moon or the sun or the earth is going to guarantee you that you are going to make money when you invest. And you might lose money. It's okay. But I hope I can provide you with the tools you need for success. I'm on a mission to help you better manage your money. Fly higher like eagle. I will see you in the next video.